work hard to give everyone the very best, and when we hear we've made a difference, it makes it all worthwhile. Here's a fantastic review about just one of many happy experiences. Attention to detail and great satisfaction are among our top priorities. And as you can see, this stellar review is proof that we succeed in providing top-rate services and complete care to each and every individual. And as much as we love earning our 5-star reviews from past visitors, we also love earning 5-star reviews from new people. We want to earn one from you. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.